Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors, standing inside the 2020 Coleman Lantern 202 RD. This is a great little camper for that couple that's looking to upgrade their camping experience, that maybe has another couple that they want to bring with them, or a kid or two, but no more than that because of space. So we start right back here in the master bedroom. And you're going to notice you do have a large queen size bed. You got the LED reading light underneath the shelf there. You got dual USB chargers on both sides and power ports, plus with the nightstands and the extensions and the cubby holes, that's a great spot if you need to put a CPAP machine or anything else you need to plug in and need some extra space. Speaking of space, we got good storage underneath the bed. And of course, since it is a travel trailer, we have ward storage mirrored on both sides of the master bed. Got a window over here off camp side. I'm taking a look to see if we have a TV mount. You could possibly put one here, but unless they have it labeled, I wouldn't push for it. You do have a privacy curtain, which is why I said if you got kids or bring another couple, because it's not a solid door, you're not going to have a whole lot of privacy. But if you're okay with just the curtain, that's going to be a great option for you. Make our way down the camper, and we have our one bathroom. Here we got still pretty good leg room on the foot flush here with the toilet. Got the shaker style cabinet door underneath the sink, which is a single deep well sink. Got the mirror there and some countertop space here with power. So if you wanted to plug in, hair dryer or set up a cup for your toothbrushes, whatever, that's going to be a good spot for it. Plus you got a little cubby hole for storage right over here. Single surround in the tub. You could use this to wash the dogs or to take a tub. That's a great option for it there. And even though we don't have a slide, this is pretty good headroom inside this travel trailer. Got, even without the skylight, which is a hand crank, and the push button fan, I got plenty of headroom. I'm not cramped left to right or up and down. So once again, for that couple that's looking to upgrade the camping experience, but also still do some camp cooking, because you do have a nice kitchen area. Sure, it's not a whole lot of countertop prep space, but you got a large single basin, deep well sink, brushed nickel high-rise faucet right there, dual USB chargers and power ports. Plus you got black on black appliances with the microwave, the hood, and the 3-burner stove. And since that's flush mounted, I have seen people use the glass cooktop as prep space to do some prep there and then cook, especially when they didn't have a whole lot of countertop space. LED accent lights on the controls there, oven, and underneath the sink, you have what I like to call the spice rack or the towel rack. Right here has the raised lip, good spot to put some things there. Drawers on the ball bearings with the full extensions. Top one is usually smaller, the bottom ones are usually larger. Solid wood construction, shaker style cabinet and more storage right there and up above. So pretty good space for a 2-person travel trailer. We make our way back to the pantry, and you're gonna see, to me, that's a great spot for the backpacks, the kabu bags, or whatever you need to grab and go. Maybe even the tackle boxes if you got some of those slim boys that you could put in there. Got a 7 cubic foot fridge that runs on both gas and electric with the automatic switch, giving you good space for the drinks, the food. If you catch a lot of fish and you clean it, you're gonna cook it all weekend, that's a good spot to store it right there. But this 202 RD is a rear dining travel trailer. We still have the 82-inch high ceilings. Excuse me, we got the 13,500 BTU air conditioner with the quick cool. But this rear dining travel trailer, the thing that I liked about it was the space that I had back here. For the couple that's looking to get out and reconnect, I mean, think about it. When was the last time you unplugged and just got out? When was the last time you had fun? Took your wife out, took your husband out, took your spouse out, just got out. Go outdoors, get a camper, and give it a shot. This is a great space to talk about whatever you want to talk about while you're eating. Maybe play a card game, play the board games. Got a beautiful bay window on the campsite, so if you do have the kids, you can watch them out there playing while you guys are sitting here or doing whatever. This does reduce down, could easily sleep 2 people. I have storage underneath both sides, and I have storage underneath the jackknife sofa, excuse me, which has its own extremely large bay window, lakeside decor on the wood balances, and more storage behind these shaker style cabinets. right here. And with that being something that can reduce down into a bed, sleep a couple there, sleep a couple there. Sure, 2 to 4 easily. 5 to 6, I wouldn't, but it's up to you. Great spot to just reconnect with folks. So if you're that couple looking to get out and reconnect, this is a great spot for you. More storage above the campside dinette. Plus, you got your Boss AM/FM stereo there and LCD mounting bracket with power right there and speakers right above you right here in the Luann all the way around this camper. We've seen the inside of this 2020 Coleman Lantern 202 RD. Let's go check out the outside. Okay, so here we are on the outside, the 2020 Coleman Lantern 202 RD. Let's start right up front with an addition you wouldn't think would be on, but you're going to be happy it is. Power tongue jack with LED light. This helps out so much when you're setting up. Got two 20-pound LP tanks, diamond-plated rock guard, aluminum frame all the way around this thing, plus you got that R7 insulation. Come around to the campsite. This is set up for solar power, so if you have the panels, there's your quick connect. Pass-through storage right here, which is finished off. That's a great space for your beach chairs, towels, hunting rifles, fishing gear, anything you want to put in there, it's a great spot for. Enclosed underbelly, and another great feature, power leveling jacks both in the front and the rear. Large awning with LED light, solid step above steps with the solid grab handle going into this camper. You got the power port right there, so if you want to plug in boombox, charge your phone, whatever, you absolutely could. And since we have the dual zone speakers, great for outside entertaining when you have the awning out and you're just hanging out reconnecting with everybody. Dual axle travel trailer on these 15-inch aluminum wheels with the Dexter Easy Lube axles. You're going to notice extra space in between there, which is going to help out with that sway and give you a more easier, comfortable ride with that suspension. Sealed tinted safety glass all the way around this camper as well. 4x4 sewer hose storage on the back. These are set up for backup cameras, so if you want to get that set up on your vehicle, there you go right there. And these also have the arch ceilings with the 3-inch rubber nozzles on both sides to help keep the elements off the top of your camper, the rain, the water, but more importantly, off of you and your friends. Got a cable port right there, the back of the furnace and fridge right here. Fresh water connection, city water connection, and 30-amp cable right there. Pull that out, plug in, you're good to go. Got your external shower right above your dump station, gray and black tanks labeled, but also the handles are color-coded to help you have a much better camping experience. And you have the plastic knobs right here to help keep your storage doors up. These are anti-slam. This is the other side of your pass-through storage, but most importantly, the info panel. This is where you want to come check out whenever you're looking at any travel trailer. Unloaded vehicle weight here, 4,300 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 7,600 pounds. Talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors and say, hey, this is what my vehicle says it can tow. Is this right for me? But if you're a couple looking for a great camping experience, you want to upgrade a little bit, get some good bang for your buck with good dining space, and you don't need a whole lot of privacy, you don't need a whole lot of space, this 2020 Coleman Lantern 202 RD could be a fantastic option for you to check out. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you think? What'd you think about the layout? What's it missing? What would you like to have? Or what did you like? I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. I'll see you soon.